8:10. Well, this is the time of the year that Door County usually sees a dip in tourism, but with all the season snowfall, it is boosting visitor numbers. Local 5's Jen Sullivan has the story.
This week's winter storm may have wreaked havoc on roads, but it left park trails blanketed in fresh snow, a perfect draw for outdoor enthusiasts.
This is as good as it gets.
Larry and his wife drove up from the Milwaukee area yesterday just to get out and do some cross-country skiing at Peninsula State Park.
It's so beautiful, and when you get out in the woods and are amongst those trees with heavy snow on it, takes your breath away.
Parts of Door County saw more than 15 inches of snow Tuesday, and all that snow is boosting tourism numbers.
When we have these bigger snowfall events, we certainly see more tourists coming in, people taking advantage of all of the recreational opportunities.
If you're not cross-country skiing or snowmobiling on the trails, another way to have fun here at Peninsula State Park is to challenge yourself to sled down hole 17.
It can get pretty grim in winter if you're not out enjoying the snow. So the key, I think, to surviving it is to simply enjoy it.
But it's not just the parks that are seeing a jump in visitors. It's also impacting local businesses.
During the weekends, it's been fantastic. There have been festivals that go on. That's the thing about Door County. There's always something going on here 12 months out of the year. It's not just 4 months. And we've been getting a good residual effect with that, with people coming on in.
Heading into the weekend, they're expecting even bigger crowds. In Door County, Jen Sullivan, Local 5 News HD.